Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best 6-inch mattress is probably one of the most crucial investments you can make for your sleep quality and overall well-being, offering a perfect balance of comfort and support tailored for various sleeping positions and body types, ensuring you wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated every single morning. Number 5. Sunny Health and Fitness Smart Row and Ride. Enhance your squat technique with this compact machine. It allows for a deeper range of motion while engaging your entire body. It's your all-in-one cardio and strength solution, trusted by millions. Target key muscle groups with one powerful movement. This ergonomic machine works your glutes, quads, hamstrings, core, back, and shoulders. It's perfect for effective, low-impact total body training at home. Pair your trainer with the free SunnyFit app for guided workouts and real-time tracking. Access an exclusive fitness community led by world-class trainers. Customize your workout with multiple pin lock positions for deep, mid-level, or neutral squats. This versatile setup supports a balanced routine tailored to your goals. Challenge your strength with built-in resistance bands, offering up to 66 pounds of total resistance. It's perfect for scaling your workouts from beginner to advanced levels. This compact machine folds easily for quick storage, making it great for home gyms or small spaces. It's lightweight and simple to move when not in use. Engineered for strength and stability, it supports up to 330 pounds. It's built for long-term performance and reliability across all fitness levels. What we like? This machine offers a comprehensive full-body workout, targeting multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Its connected fitness features provide guided workouts and real-time tracking for a more engaging experience. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution to build strength and improve cardio at home, especially in a smaller space, this is a great choice. What people say. This comes set as the most intense, highest resistance mode. But by changing the seat post height and reducing from 3 to 1 the connection of the resistance bands, I can now absolutely use this as a more regular cardio device. It still kicks my butt, but much closer to standard cardio. The row and ride is light, quick, and easy to assemble, and the app is absolutely wonderful. It might be nice to have a guide for setting the seat and handlebars based on the user's height. It is small enough that I think it will fit next to my folding exercise bike and weight bench without being in the way when it isn't in use. Number 4. Amazon Basics Smart Box Spring Bed Base. Experience enhanced mattress comfort and stability with this essential bed base. It provides the perfect foundation for a better night's sleep. No matter your preference, this foundation is compatible with all mattress types. It works seamlessly with spring, memory foam, latex, and hybrid mattresses. Rest assured with its robust weight capacity. It's designed to hold up to 700 pounds, ensuring stability and durability for all users. Setting up your new bed frame is a breeze. Its tool-free, interlocking design means you can assemble it in just minutes. Crafted from durable steel with horizontal slats, it offers strong and reliable mattress support. This ensures longevity and consistent performance. Keeping your bed base clean is simple. The removable, zip-off cover allows for convenient spot cleaning, maintaining a fresh look. What we like? This foundation boasts an incredibly easy tool-free assembly, allowing you to set it up in minutes. Its robust steel construction ensures durability and a high weight capacity, making it a reliable choice for any mattress. If you prioritize quick and simple setup without compromising on sturdiness, this is the foundation for you. What people say. Super easy to set up. Took less than 8 minutes without using instructions. Feels sturdy. Easy to assemble, super sturdy. IT doesn't only adds height to your mattress, IT also adds support. It was pretty obvious where everything goes. It was easy to assemble them and they are well made and sturdy. Number 3. Zinus 7.5-inch No Assembly Box Spring. Tired of complicated furniture assembly? This box spring is designed for ultimate convenience. Simply unfold it, and it's ready for your mattress. Built with a durable steel frame, this foundation offers reliable support for your mattress. It's engineered to last, providing a stable base for years to come. Setting up your new bed base couldn't be easier. Just unfold the frame and zip up the cover. It's that simple. Everything you need arrives in one compact box, delivered right to your doorstep. Unpacking and setup are a breeze. We stand behind the quality of our product. Enjoy peace of mind with an included 5-year limited warranty. This foundation is built to last, supporting significant weight. It provides robust stability for a restful night's sleep. What we like? The standout feature here is the complete lack of assembly required. You simply unfold it. It's built with a sturdy steel frame for reliable mattress support and comes with a reassuring 5-year warranty. If you dread assembly and want a no-fuss, durable foundation, this is an excellent option. What people say. The box was easy to open, and I was able to unfold and place it on the bed all by myself. No help or assembly needed. It's sturdy and well made, and not too heavy to handle. The folding arrangement is nice, and it worked well for maneuvering through smaller doors and hallways. Once unfolded, I found it surprisingly light for something so solidly built, certainly much lighter than the wood and steel spring box it's replacing. It's proved very sturdy so far. These come all ready to go, just unfold, zip up the material cover and all done. Functions just as needed, no noise at all and very sturdy. Number 2. iDealBed 5i Custom Adjustable Bed Base. Experience unparalleled comfort with full head and foot articulation. Adjust to virtually any position for personalized relaxation and support. Easily control your comfort with the wireless ergonomic remote. Access preset positions like zero gravity or save your favorite settings. Enjoy smooth and silent adjustments thanks to German-engineered motors. It effortlessly lifts up to 1,000 pounds, keeping your mattress perfectly in place. Get started in minutes with our almost no assembly design. It's compatible with all mattress types and offers adjustable leg heights. Enhance your relaxation with built-in deep sonic massage. Choose from 3 intensity levels and set a timer for a soothing experience. Our innovative design moves back as you raise the head, saving valuable space in your room. It can even be used without legs for a sleek look. Rest easy with a 10-year warranty, emergency battery backup, and US designed quality. Contact us for any questions or assistance. What we like? This adjustable base offers extensive head and foot articulation for personalized comfort, along with built-in massage and zero-gravity features for ultimate relaxation. Its wall hugger design ensures it stays close to your wall while adjusting. If you seek enhanced sleep comfort, therapeutic benefits, and a space-saving adjustable solution, this base is ideal. What people say. The high weight limit is great. The underbed lighting is a cool feature. Setup was a breeze. Number 1. Zinus Suzanne 6-inch bamboo platform bed frame. Introducing a bed frame that's not just stylish, but recognized for its outstanding design. It won the Good Design Award in 2019. This frame features a sustainable bamboo footboard paired with a black steel frame. It brings a sleek, modern industrial look to your bedroom. Enjoy reliable mattress support with its wooden slats. It's designed to work perfectly with your mattress, eliminating the need for a box spring. Crafted from a combination of durable steel and sustainable bamboo, this bed frame is built to last. Everything you need is conveniently packed into one box. Assembly is straightforward and can be completed in under an hour. Rest easy knowing your purchase is protected. It comes with a worry-free 5-year limited warranty. What we like? This platform bed frame is a Good Design Award winner, recognized for its aesthetic and packaging. It features a modern industrial design with sustainable bamboo and durable steel, and importantly, it doesn't require a box spring. If you appreciate stylish, minimalist design and want a sturdy, all-in-one bed frame solution, this is a fantastic pick. What people say. The slats use hook and loop to stay in place. Hook strip on the bed frame, loop strip on the slats. They also have 2 strips of sticky tape to hold your mattress in place. It arrived in one large box, about 85 inches long, weighing probably 50 pounds. The frame is very sturdy and makes no noise. The Velcro is how the slat spacing is preserved. The storage space is incredible, and it's so open, and there isn't any springs or things in the way to ruin your mattress or anything you place underneath. The function is so nice, and it gives the room decor a clean and simple feel. It's a higher frame so it elevates the room. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.